Okay, I'm filming. Hold on a second. I have to make sure I know what machine I'm getting. Okay, it's going to do a tool change.
Yep.
This is a BT40.
Yep. It's going to turn the coolant on, but I'll turn it off. All it's doing there is chamfering.
It's chamfering?
Yeah.
Is it going to do anything else?
Nope. And the pellet, we'll do a pellet change when it's done.
How long till it does the pallet change?
It can wait. Well,
no, I'd prefer to get all in one. What RPM is it running at?
65.
And you say it goes up to 10?
Yeah.
This is aluminum?
Yeah.
70, 71? 60, 61? So that's mostly what you guys are doing on these machines, right?
No, we do a lot of stainless.
Oh, a lot of stainless?
Aluminum, plastic. That's pretty much it. 304 stainless.
I'm gonna pull my... I've been vaccinated, have you?
Yep.
I think next month all this is going to end anyway.
Yeah, we can hope.
No, it will. They say 50% of American adults are vaccinated.
Yeah. Quite a few people in this building haven't been. Have to fend for themselves.
That's what I say. I say it's your choice. You get vaccinated or it's your choice.
Yeah.
Because there's always been anti-vaxxers, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Is it going to do a pallet change now?
Yep. So I'm just going to cycle start, and you can watch it there, do it.
And I don't get the vices with this one. No vices.
Now, if you want to do this other one,